Are you looking for a quick, reliable, and hassle-free dumpster rental service? Look no further than ASL Dumpsters LLC. Whether you're remodeling your home, clearing out for a big move, or managing a construction project, you need solutions that work as hard as you do. That's why we offer a wide range of dumpster rental options to fit every need and project size to keep your site clean and organized. Our friendly and professional team is committed to providing timely and efficient service. From the moment you contact us to the delivery and pickup of your dumpster, we ensure a hassle-free experience. Stay focused on the job at hand. Let us take care of the mess. Our dependable service will make waste removal the least of your worries. Dedicated to serving our community responsibly, we ensure that your waste is disposed of in the most environmentally friendly manner. Booking with us is easy. Visit our website at www.asldumpster.com, choose the dumpster size you need, schedule your delivery and pickup dates, and we'll handle the rest. Have questions? Our friendly team is just a phone call away at 303-981-2288. So don't wait. Simplify your project management today with ASL Dumpsters LLC. Let's clean up together.